Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Ueno, located in Taido district of Tokyo, is an area rich in natural and artistic spots, including a vast park, zoo, and museums. Along with Asakusa, it attracts many tourists. With its Shinkansen stop and convenient access to popular tourist areas, it's also a great base for travelers. The Ueno area is home to historic shrines and traditional coffee shops, exuding a retro and calm atmosphere. Particularly in the morning hours, when there are fewer people, the crisp air enveloping the area is another attractive point. Many coffee shops and cafes open early in the morning, so it's a good idea to enjoy breakfast before setting out for sightseeing. And this Ueno morning guide will introduce tourist spots and delicious breakfast places that you can enjoy from early morning. Be sure to add these to your travel plans. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Why is morning sightseeing in Ueno recommended? If you're planning to visit Ueno, the morning hours are definitely recommended. Ueno, which is close to the popular tourist spot Asakusa, gets particularly crowded from noon to afternoon. If you want to enjoy Ueno's unique, relaxed atmosphere, it's best to wake up early and head out. Some museums and art galleries open from 9 a.m. It's recommended to immerse yourself in history and art in the quiet morning air. Enjoying a stroll in the nature-rich park, having breakfast at a long-established cafe, savoring the morning hours is one of the true pleasures of travel. Ueno has good access to various places, so you can enjoy Ueno sightseeing first thing in the morning and then move on to other locations, making effective use of your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Five recommended tourist spots in Ueno area wrapped in fresh morning air. Ueno Park is Japan's oldest park with over 150 years of history. It's also known as one of Japan's representative cherry blossom viewing spots, and many people visit during the Ohanami cherry blossom viewing season to enjoy picnics under the cherry blossoms. The morning hours, when there are fewer people, are perfect for leisurely strolling through the vast, lush grounds. My favorite way to spend time is to take out breakfast from a bakery near the park. Within the grounds, there are various facilities such as museums, art galleries, and a zoo, as well as historical spots like Ueno Toshogu Shrine. There are also boats in the park's pond, and on sunny days, it's recommended to enjoy a boat ride experience. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Yushima Tenmangu Shrine is dedicated to Shogawara Mishizane, known as the God of Learning. During the Plum Festival held from February to March, about 300 cute plum blossoms bloom. Don't forget to check out the torii gate base shaped like a plum blossom. At this shrine, cows are treated as messengers of the god, and it's said that if you stroke the two cow statues displayed in the precincts, the bad parts of your body will be healed. Many exam takers wishing for success stroke the cows' heads, making them particularly shiny. When I was a student, I visited with a friend to pray for exam success and stroke the cow's head, which is a good memory. Sensoji Temple, close to Ueno, is the oldest temple in Tokyo with about 1,400 years of history. Despite suffering damage from wars and disasters, it has been rebuilt many times and has become a spiritual anchor for local people. The symbol of Sensoji Temple is the Kamineraman Thunder Gate. The gods of nature, Fujian Wine God and Raging Thunder God, stand on the left and right of the gate, protecting the temple from fire and flood damage. Around 7 a.m., just after the gate opens, there are few people and you can worship leisurely. After praying in the crisp air, my recommended course is to walk down Nakamistori Street. Many shops selling famous local sweets like ninjoyaki and rice crackers gradually open from around 8 a.m., so it's good to have a light meal as breakfast substitute and then move on to another location. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. The Sumida River is a 23.5 kilometers long river representative of Tokyo. The area around the Sumida River, where you can enjoy nature in all four seasons, is perfect for a leisurely walk in the crisp morning air. If you leave from Ueno Park and walk along the Sumida River, you'll see the townscape of Tokyo full of downtown atmosphere. In the morning hours when there are few people around, it's also recommended to take photos at a leisurely pace. If you get tired of walking, take a break at a stylish cafe along the river. Many shops have terrace seats, and you can spend a pleasant time overlooking the river. Emeoko, synonymous with Ueno, is a popular shopping street in Tokyo with about 400 shops selling food, general goods, and cosmetics. The sight of it bustling with New Year's shopping in December has become a year-end tradition in Japan. One of the charms of Emeoko is that you can experience a multinational atmosphere from the morning, with Korean toast specialty stores, kebab shops, and 24-hour izakayas. It's also fun to choose souvenirs like the famous candy auctions and Japanese-made cosmetics. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Many shops open around 10 a.m., so when I visit Emeoko, I enjoy the Sumida River area in the morning in this order. Breakfast gives, shopping gives, lunch drinking. Don't forget to enjoy interactions with friendly shopkeepers in Emeoko. Emeoko is also famous as one of Tokyo's premier dining and drinking districts. However, for first-time visitors, finding those beloved local establishments can be extremely challenging. That's why a local tour with guides who can show you the hidden gems is highly recommended. Please check the details below. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.